What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another great video. Today is a special day as always because it's Sunday, and this is going to be Sedona Cruise Part 2. I guess they did this a couple months ago, and a bunch of people got together to go to Sedona and do a huge car cruise up in the mountains on the twisties and turnies. So yeah, Loki invited me out today. I'm going to be riding in the LC, and it should be a good time. So let me show you some of the cars that are here, I guess. So to start with, you got Loki's fine ass LC 500 right here, and then you might recognize a couple of the cars that are going to be here. So you got G37, the 370 Subaru over there. You might have seen me take a couple pictures of that one. 135i S2K right over there. Then I've shot the FRS that's right over there. There's a couple FRSs here today. There's a 240 there, and then you have one GTR, two GTRs, and three over there in the back. So bam, bam, and bam, right over here. Then got this Evo with the crazy ass exhaust coming out of the fucking hood. Another 240, and then here's a Ferrari FF, if I recall. I forget these models. I forget Ferrari models all the time, but yeah, that's an FF, I think. And then right over there, you got a BMW M5, the F10. So yeah, it should be a pretty freaking sweet day. I'm gonna capture everything I can, including some drone footage for you guys, so stay tuned. Anyways, we're gonna get rolling pretty soon, so I'll see you guys out on the road. And let me not forget to say everyone's Instagram, or at least I'll try to put everyone's Instagram in it. I'm gonna leave them, I'll put them up in the screen actually, and then I'll leave them down in the description as well, so make sure you guys go check those owners out. Make sure you go ahead and go follow them, all right? Yeah, as you guys can blatantly see, it's kind of a car takeover right now at the gas station here. But we're rolling out, headed to Sedona right now.
Yeah, are we gonna be at the front?
It's a 10-second
M5. I've seen it on YouTube.
Someone to send me the address of where exactly we're going. That would have been a bit.
Sedona, so we stopped at a Chevron so we can get some food, get some drinks, and get some gas. Dude, the lineup is so crazy. Look at this. Look at this. This is a takeover right now. Look at all of this. It is a takeover. Look at all these cars, man. All these cars for one gas station, dude. It is a takeover, holy crap. So I'm thinking what I'm gonna do is, I'm on my vlogging camera right now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out the A7, put the lens on, and we'll do some rolling shots and stuff, static shots with the A7, because it is way better at taking pictures and stuff. Look at this backdrop, LC, GTR, oh shit, you kidding me? LC, GTR, look at this, dude, crazy. Anyways, all right, so I'm gonna take out the A7, we're gonna do some static shots. Check out the Instagram, you'll see them there. And yeah, dude, this is a blast. We're having so much fun. Look at this guy right here. We're having so much fun right now. So yeah, I'll catch you guys probably when we get to Sedona or some more filming in the car or something like that. But anyways, all right, I'll catch you guys later. Alright guys, so made it to Sedona, and we all pulled off to the side of the road over there, but there's this sick bridge, and me and Loki decided if we staged up all the cars on the side of the bridge right there, it would look totally freaking awesome. So that's what we did. We staged all the cars on the side of the bridge right over there. I'll probably put in some drone shots that I took intermixed with the vlog, but other than that, it's so sick. This spot right here in Sedona is perfect. Anyways, I'm gonna film the outro to this new video that I'm making, so yeah, I'll catch you guys in a sec. So freaking cool. A lot of cars, a lot of people. Dude, we were rolling with a squad of like 20, 30 plus cars. We parked them all on that bridge. We saw that bridge and we were just like, dude, let's park all the cars here and get some nice shots. So that was awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If I didn't get your Instagram in the video, I'm very sorry. I tried to get all the Instagrams of the owners of the cars, as many as I actually could inside the video. So if I missed you, I'm sorry. But thank you to Loki for letting me come along and ride in his LC. And thanks for everyone inviting me on that cruise. I can't wait until the next one. It'll be awesome. It'll be fun. Oh, I didn't tell you guys, but sadly, there was a casualty during the filming of that cruise, and my drone is out of commission for the moment. I just need to get it fixed. Nothing too big, but yeah, it's out of commission for the moment, and hopefully it'll be back up and running pretty soon. But yeah, so had a great time on that cruise. Again, if I forgot your Instagram, I'm sorry. But anyways, go ahead and if you like the video, go ahead and drop a like for me. Subscribe, there'll be more content to come. And then on top of that, go ahead and drop a comment down. Tell me what your favorite car of the cruise was. Let's get a conversation going. All right, guys, as always, peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See you later, guys.